When it comes to keeping your home comfortable while saving on energy costs, one of the most important factors to consider is the type of windows you install. In Gilbert, where temperatures can soar in the summer and dip in the winter, energy-efficient windows are a must for homeowners looking to maintain indoor comfort year-round. Not only do these windows reduce the burden on your heating and cooling systems, but they can also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle by minimizing your carbon footprint. Let's explore some of the best energy-efficient window styles for residences in Gilbert. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are a classic and popular choice for many Gilbert homeowners. They feature two movable sashes that slide vertically, allowing you to control the amount of airflow into your home. Their energy efficiency lies in their ability to seal tightly when closed, minimizing heat loss and preventing drafts. Modern double-hung windows come with advanced insulation features, such as double or triple glazing and low emissivity coatings, which reduce heat transfer. These features are especially important for Gilbert's hot summers and chilly winters. Additionally, double-hung windows are relatively easy to maintain, making them a practical and energy-efficient option for many households. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward, much like a door. These windows are excellent for energy efficiency because they offer an airtight seal when closed. The pressure from the wind actually helps push the window tighter into its frame, preventing air leaks. Casement windows are particularly effective in homes where the windows are exposed to high winds, such as in more open areas of Gilbert. Their design also allows for excellent ventilation, as you can open them wide to allow cool air into the home, especially during the cooler months. With double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, casement windows can significantly reduce your energy costs while offering an elegant look for your home. 3. Sliding windows. Sliding windows, or gliding windows, feature sashes that slide horizontally rather than vertically. These windows are popular in modern homes and are a great choice for energy efficiency due to their simple design and tight seals. The lack of moving parts and the snug fit when closed make these windows an effective barrier against outdoor temperature fluctuations. For Gilbert homeowners, sliding windows can help keep cooling costs down during summer, and their design allows for smooth airflow when needed. When combined with energy-efficient glass and weather-resistant frames, sliding windows can offer both functionality and energy savings. 4. Picture windows. If you're looking to optimize your home's energy efficiency while allowing in maximum natural light, picture windows may be the ideal choice. Picture windows are large, fixed panes of glass that do not open. While they may not offer ventilation, they excel at keeping outdoor temperatures at bay, making them highly energy efficient. These windows are perfect for areas in Gilbert that enjoy beautiful views, as they let in abundant sunlight, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. With the addition of low emissivity glass and proper framing, picture windows can help maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing the workload on your HVAC system and lowering energy consumption. 5. Awning windows. awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a small awning that helps block rain and direct sunlight. This window style is particularly beneficial for homes in Gilbert where afternoon thunderstorms or intense sunlight are common. Awning windows provide excellent ventilation and are often installed in hard-to-reach places like above counters or in basements. When combined with energy-efficient glass, they can significantly reduce heat gain in the summer while still allowing for natural airflow. The design of awning windows allows them to create a tight seal when closed, preventing drafts and offering better insulation. 6. Energy-efficient window materials. While the style of window is important, the materials used in construction can also impact the energy efficiency of your home. Many Gilbert homeowners opt for vinyl or fiberglass frames because these materials have excellent insulating properties. Vinyl frames, in particular, are low maintenance and help minimize air infiltration, which is crucial for maintaining energy efficiency. Fiberglass frames are durable and offer high-performance insulation. For maximum energy savings, be sure to choose windows with multiple panes of glass, low E coatings, and gas fills like argon or krypton, which enhance insulation and reduce heat transfer. Conclusion: choosing the best energy-efficient window style for your Gilbert residence can make a significant difference in both your comfort and energy costs. Whether you prefer the timeless design of double-hung windows, the airtight seal of casement windows, or the natural light and insulation provided by picture windows, there's an option for every style and need. By selecting windows with energy-efficient glass, insulating materials, and quality seals, you can create a home that stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter, all while saving money on energy bills. Be sure to consult with a professional to determine which window style best suits your home's unique needs and to take full advantage of the energy savings available.